块钱好好的，回不去了。嚯！啊，哎呀呀呀呀，这太惨了。
On February 5th, 2026, severe winter weather swept across northeastern China, causing major disruptions in cities. In Jilin Province, the Jinga Expressway in the Mishatsi section became the site of a massive multi-vehicle collision, as continuous snowfall and sub-zero temperatures left the roadway covered in a thick layer of ice.
Hello. 我都已经站到他车的那个位置了，我就看他就已经给你拱。还先给我拱，那有2秒钟，他得放马的，这车都放这样，家里面的啊，这儿受到，然后我就按。
Drivers reported that the surface was extremely slippery, reducing vehicle traction and increasing the risk of collisions. Compounding the danger, local sources indicated that a nearby waste incineration plant allegedly discharged smoke and water vapor illegally during the period of the accident.
事故现场啊，双向车道全堵。哎呦我去！
秦岭隧道堵车哦，路过的慢点啊，前不见头后不见尾啊，堵了几10公里吧应该。
Under freezing conditions, this released vapor rapidly condensed into a dense, aerosol-like mist that extended for several hundred meters across the highway. The mist not only accelerated road icing but also created near-zero visibility, leaving drivers with little time to react to slowing or stopped vehicles ahead.
出车祸了！这车不都能动的吗？这热电场有直接损，这烟。对面还有一个，看我。
这能见度估计不足50米，我操！还有急刹车，别搞。
As vehicles entered the low visibility zone, braking effectiveness was significantly impaired, resulting in successive rear-end collisions, side impacts, and overturned truck. Several passenger vehicles were severely damaged, with some crushed between larger vehicles. Emergency services responded immediately, including traffic police, fire and rescue units, and medical teams. Rescue personnel extricated trapped occupants and transported the injured to nearby hospitals for urgent medical evaluation and treatment.
哎呀，堵了4个小时了，还不放。
啊，对。慢点，慢点，慢点，往左走。
The expressway was temporarily closed in both directions to allow for rescue operations, de-icing, vehicle removal, and safety inspections, with traffic gradually restored later that same day. Investigators have launched a comprehensive inquiry to determine the exact causes of the collision. The investigation is examining severe winter weather, road maintenance practices, vehicle conditions, and the alleged emissions from nearby industrial facilities.
这烟儿别老家了啊！米沙这个烟儿。
这他妈一口风过来，啥也看不着。
这他妈的要催命！然后高速旁边整这个玩意儿。
有啥呀这玩意儿？
看不着就
啊，这玩意儿啊。
就大烟那玩意儿。
前面有个花
一个车都不挖。
While Jilin dealt with the highway collision, Dalian experienced extreme northwesterly winds brought by a strong cold air mass. The Dalian Meteorological Observatory reported gusts reaching force 9 to 11 on the Beaufort scale, with maximum wind speeds approaching 30 meters per second. Coastal, nearshore, and certain inland areas were most severely affected. The strong winds coincided with a sharp drop in temperatures. The combination of wind and cold produced a pronounced wind chill effect, making outdoor activity dangerous and increasing the risk of frostbite. Offshore, waves in the northern Bohai Sea and Yellow Sea reached 2.5 to 3.5 meters, disrupting maritime operations. In response, authorities issued an orange maritime wind warning and adjusted port operations. Certain local island transport routes and interprovincial passenger ferry services were suspended to ensure the safety of passengers and crew. Ports, fisheries, and offshore facilities strengthened safety protocols, and vessels were advised to return to port immediately to avoid the storm's impact.
哦，我操！看，他那个大风，我操，太吓人了！他妈房顶上刮飞了，这是啥？房顶上放水吧？是不是？操，太他妈吓人了！这大风，挠挠的。
Meteorological officials noted that wind speeds in Dalian are expected to gradually decrease as the cold air mass weakens, although low temperatures will persist in the short term. Residents have been urged to take precautions against cold and high winds, dress warmly, limit outdoor exposure, and monitor official weather updates. These incidents illustrate the broader challenges posed by severe winter weather in northeastern China. The Jilin Expressway collision highlights the compounded dangers of icy roads, low visibility, and potential environmental hazards, while the Dalian windstorm underscores the vulnerability of coastal and maritime infrastructure to sudden atmospheric changes. Authorities have stressed the importance of remaining vigilant, adhering to safety guidelines, and cooperating with emergency services during periods of extreme weather.
With Popeye